You get paid more than $8
to play. Oh my gosh, we're all sitting on the cameras. What are you doing? Just smash my phone.
I'm gonna break it.
You're not gonna break it,
You want me
because
to
then you would
break
pay
it?
for it.
You want
Wait, I think
me
you
to-
made me zoom in. Oh no, I'm just kidding.
You wanna record me? You want me to break it?
Huh?
it.
What? Just
Break
Laura,
it.
why don't you record her? Not
No.
her phone.
No.
on your phone and on the counter. Tisk
No.
tisk.
Annika too. Like, on the counter. On the counter. Let's record Annika. Hi, Annika. How does it feel to be recorded all the time, every 24 hours of work time? Answer that question.
Recorded 24 hours. It doesn't even work 24 hours.
I said 24 hours of work time.
24 hours of work time. Just doesn't even make sense. Person off the camera.
Not it. Not it. Not it.
Annika.
Nose goes.
Sam.
Huh? I've never seen it before. You could take your finger off your nose. Jessica stands the exact same way every time Chelsea goes to her. Slide that card.
Do you want to keep your receipt? Alright, have a good day. Yeah. Want to go restock water?
No, not really.
You have to do that.
Restock what?
Water.
Work.
Show your camera how you work a lot.
I don't work a lot.
Are you really filming?
Yeah.
And then she puts them on Facebook.
You liked the one I put on Facebook, don't I?
I like the one of you.
Of what?
Of you, where you got like, when you were trapped in there.
Did I put that one up?
Yeah. Or I know it was on your YouTube.
It was on
I
YouTube.
didn't see anything to walk through the shoot. But you were here.
I was here?
Yeah.
Okay, Waters. I'm gonna have to end the video because I need both my hands. See you, bye guys. Laura's just in her phone.